Greetings, this is Masleya. In this video, we are going to interrogate the topic on sets that appeared in 2022 internal final exam. So the question reads as follows. The Venn diagram below shows the number of learners who took at least one of the three subjects. So we have biology, chemistry, and physics. So as you can see, we have the Venn diagram here, and we have a circle for biology, a circle for chemistry, and a circle for physics. So the first question, which is Roman numeral 1, reads as follows. Given that the total number of learners was 170, calculate the value of x. Okay, so in the previous video, I've explained how to calculate the total number of learners in a given set, of which I said to say, for us to find the total number of learners, we need to add the number of learners in each and every set, including those which are outside the given sets. So we are going to add x. So we'll say, this is question 1. So we'll say x, this x, plus 5, plus 70, plus 15. And then from there, we'll go to x minus 5, plus x, plus 10. What is the total number of learners? We have been given that it is 170. So 170, which is this number here. So now we need to find the value of x. So after making sure that we have created a straight equation, the first thing that we are supposed to do is to simplify by collecting the like terms. So you can agree with me to say that we have got this x and this x and this x, which are like terms. So we'll collect them. Okay, we'll say x plus x plus x. Thereafter, we'll also collect the coefficients together, which is 5 plus 70 plus 15 minus 5 plus 10 is equal to 170. So of which, when we add the variables, we are going to have 3x. When you simplify or add and subtract the coefficients or the numbers, you are going to have 95 is equal to 170. Okay, at this point, we are going to further correct like terms by making positive 95 cross the equal sign and come this side. So you're going to have 3x is equal to 170 minus 95. Okay, so we are going to have 3x is equal to 170 minus 95. You agree with me that is 75. Thereafter, for us to remain with x, we'll divide both sides of the equation by 3. So meaning that x is equal to, when you divide 3 into 75, the answer is 25. So the value of x is 25. Very simple calculation. Let's go to the second question. The second question reads as follows. How many learners took A, biology and physics, but not chemistry? Biology and physics, but not chemistry. So we have, this is biology, okay, and then this is physics, but not chemistry. So meaning that we are talking about the area which is bounded by biology and physics, but not chemistry. So if we say the number of learners who took biology, physics, and chemistry, we are talking about this area here. But the question is saying, we are only interested in the number of learners who took biology and physics, but not chemistry. So mean that we'll remove the seventh area, because this seventh area is being shared by chemistry. So mean that we're talking about this area here, which is 15. So we'll say 15 learners. So we'll say 15 learners. So 15 learners took only biology and physics, but not chemistry. So our answer is 15. Very simple there. We'll go to question B. This was question A. Question B. So question B reads as follows. We need to find how many learners who took 2 subjects only. 2 subjects only. In the previous video, I've explained how to identify 2 subjects only, how to identify 1 subject only, how to identify all the subjects only. So 2 subjects only, we are talking about this 15 which I've shaded here, also this x which is here, and then this area where 5 is. So meaning that we are going to add, we'll add 15 plus, we have 5 plus x, of which x is 25. We had calculated to say the value of x is 25. So when we add 15 plus 5, which is a 20, plus 25, which is a 45. So mean that we're talking about 45 learners. So 45 learners took only 2 subjects only. Okay? So 45 learners took 2 subjects only. We go to the last question. The last question is saying how many learners took 1 subject only? 1 subject only. So you can agree with me if you have watched the first video to say with 1 subject only we are talking about this area where there is x, I've circled it, the area where there is x minus 5 and the area where there is 10. So we are going to add. Okay? So remember that this is question C, of which x, the value of x here is 25 plus the value of x minus 5. So if we say x minus 5, we are talking about a 20, okay, plus a 10, plus a 10. So when we add 25 plus 20, it is 45. 45 plus 10, it is 55. So 55 learners, so we have 55 learners who took 1 subject only. So we have 55 learners who took 1 subject only. Very simple calculation here as far as sets question is concerned that appeared in Mathematics Paper 2, 2022 Internal Final Exam. Thank you for watching this video.